10 lines on Children's Day in English. Children's Day. Number 1. Good morning everyone. Number 2. My name is Zoya. Number 3. Today we are going to celebrate Children's Day. Number 4. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year. Number 5. It is also called Bal Divas. Number 6. Children's Day is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Number 7. He was a great hero of the Indian freedom struggle. Number 8. He was the first Prime Minister of India. Number 9. He always believed that children are the future of the country. Number 10. He loved children very much. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.